Another day, another video of first aid by. Fevers are contagious. What is it? Causes, signs, and therapy. Fevers are a common symptom of many illnesses, from the common cold to more severe conditions like pneumonia or meningitis. While fevers themselves are not contagious, the underlying illnesses that cause them often are. In this video, we'll discuss what fevers are, what causes them, signs and symptoms to look out for, and potential therapies to alleviate them. What is a fever? A fever is a natural response of the body to an illness or infection. It is an increase in the body's temperature above its normal range and is usually an indication that the body is fighting off some sort of illness or infection. Fevers are not contagious and cannot be spread from person to person. However, the illnesses or infections that cause fevers are contagious and can be spread to other people. If a person with a fever is around other people, they should take precautions to prevent the spread of the illness. What causes a fever? Fevers can be caused by a wide range of conditions, from minor infections like the common cold to more serious illnesses like pneumonia, meningitis, or sepsis. They can also be caused by other factors, such as heat exhaustion or a reaction to medication. When your body is fighting off an infection or other condition, it produces chemicals called pyrogens that signal the hypothalamus, the part of the brain that regulates body temperature. This causes your body to raise its temperature to make it a less hospitable environment for the illness to thrive. How can I treat a fever associated with a cold or flu? Fevers associated with colds and the flu are contagious, and it is important to take steps to avoid spreading the illness to others. To reduce the fever, it is important to stay hydrated and get plenty of rest. Over-the-counter medications, such as ibuprofen and acetaminophen, can also be taken to reduce the fever. Additionally, it is important to take care of any underlying symptoms, such as congestion and sore throat. If the fever persists or worsens, it is important to speak to a medical professional. Flu therapy. No, fevers are not contagious. Flu therapy is a type of treatment for flu-like symptoms such as fever, body aches, chills, and fatigue. The therapy works by using infrared light to increase the body's temperature, which helps to reduce symptoms and boost the immune system. It is a safe and non-invasive way to treat the flu without the use of medication or other treatments. Tepid sponging. No, fevers are not contagious. Tepid sponging is a method used to reduce fever in children and adults. It involves sponging the body with lukewarm water, which helps to lower the body temperature. This method is safe and effective in reducing fever, but it does not reduce the risk of contagion. Fevers can be caused by a variety of viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens, but they are. Signs and symptoms of a fever. The most obvious sign of a fever is an elevated body temperature, but there are other signs and symptoms to look out for, including 1. Chills and shivering. 2. Sweating. 3. Headache. 4. Muscle aches and weakness. 5. Fatigue and weakness. 6. Loss of appetite. 7. Dehydration. Therapies for a fever. In most cases, a fever will go away on its own as your body fights off the underlying illness. However, there are things you can do to help alleviate your symptoms and make yourself more comfortable in the meantime. 1. Rest. Your body needs rest to recover, so try to get plenty of sleep and avoid overexerting yourself. 2. Stay hydrated. Fever can cause dehydration, so be sure to drink plenty of fluids like water, herbal tea, or sports drinks that contain electrolytes. 3. Take over-the-counter medication. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, like ibuprofen or acetaminophen can help reduce fever and alleviate other symptoms like headache and muscle aches. 3. However, be sure to follow the recommended dosages and consult your healthcare provider if you have any concerns. 4. Take a cool bath or use a cold compress. This can help reduce your body temperature and alleviate chills. 5. Seek medical attention. If your fever is very high, persistent, or accompanied by other concerning symptoms, it's important to seek medical attention. 5. Your healthcare provider can help diagnose the underlying condition and recommend appropriate treatment. Preventing the spread of contagious illnesses. While fevers themselves are not contagious, many of the illnesses that cause them are. To prevent the spread of contagious illnesses, it's important to practice good hygiene. 1. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water, especially before eating, after using the restroom, and after blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing. 2. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or your elbow when you cough or sneeze. 3. Stay home if you're sick and avoid close contact with others who are sick. Take care of yourself and seek medical attention if necessary. With proper rest, hydration, and over-the-counter medication, you can alleviate your symptoms and help your body fight off the underlying illness. It's also important to prevent the spread of contagious illnesses by practicing good hygiene and staying home if you're sick. By doing so, you can help protect yourself and others from getting sick. If you or someone you know is experiencing a fever, it's important to pay attention to the signs and symptoms and seek medical attention if necessary. Your healthcare provider can help diagnose the underlying condition and recommend appropriate treatment to help you recover quickly and safely. In some cases, fevers can be a sign of a more serious condition, such as meningitis or sepsis. If you experience any of the following symptoms, seek medical attention immediately. 1. Stiff neck. 2. Severe headache. 3. Difficulty breathing. 4. Chest pain. 5. Rapid heartbeat. 6. Confusion or disorientation. 7. Seizures. Remember, a fever is a sign that your body is fighting off an infection or other condition. By taking care of yourself and seeking medical attention if necessary, you can help your body recover quickly and stay healthy. Conclusion. Fevers are a common symptom of many contagious illnesses. While they are not contagious themselves, they are a good indication that a person may have a contagious illness. Fevers can be caused by bacterial or viral infections, and can also be triggered by environmental factors such as extreme weather. Signs of a fever include an elevated body temperature, chills, and flushed skin. Treatment usually depends on the underlying cause of the fever and may include medications, rest, and fluids. It is important to seek medical attention if a fever persists or worsens. Fevers are a helpful indicator that a person may have a contagious illness, so it's important to take the necessary steps to prevent the spread of disease. Thanks for watching.